In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Nebraska State. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, what information to have ready, and how to save proof of payment so you can move on with your day. First, open your browser and head to the official Nebraska Judicial Branch Internet Payment System. This is the state's secure portal for court-related payments. Make sure you're on the legitimate.gov site so you know your information is protected and you're paying the right office. Once the site loads, look for the option labeled Pay Ticket Citation and select it. The system will ask whether you're paying a paper ticket or an electronic citation. A paper ticket is the physical slip you received from an officer, while an electronic citation is one that was issued and recorded digitally. Choose the one that matches what you received so the system can find your record correctly. Next, enter your ticket information. You'll typically be asked for your citation or ticket number, the county where the ticket was issued, and the citation date. You'll also provide some basic personal information so the court can match the payment to your case. Take a moment to type everything exactly as it appears on your ticket. Spelling, numbers, and dates matter here. If you no longer have the ticket, contact the county court where the citation was issued and ask for the details you need to complete the online payment. When you're ready to pay, choose your preferred method. Nebraska accepts major cards like Visa, MasterCard, and Discover, as well as e-check or bank account payments. Be aware there's usually a small processing fee starting around $1.25, which will be added to your total. Before you submit, review the summary screen to confirm the citation number, county, and fine amount are all correct. After you complete the transaction, save your confirmation. Take a screenshot or print the receipt directly from the page and keep that confirmation for your records. It's a simple step that can save time later if you need to show proof of payment to an employer, your insurance, or the court. That's it. Visit the official portal, select Pay Ticket Citation, choose paper or electronic, enter your ticket details carefully, pay with your preferred method, and save your confirmation. Follow these steps and you'll have your Nebraska traffic ticket paid quickly and securely online. Thanks for watching and take care.